what would be your top 3 tips for somebody thinking about a career change into cybersecurity?
All right. So number one tip would, like, yes, do your research, right? Like, listen to the podcast, like with a grain of salt from opinions from other people that have been in the industry. But like, once you have a path, right, that can provide you with what you want, like take massive action on it. Okay. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're 95% certain that something is going to be providing you with what you're looking for, like, that is a very high percentage. Right. And once you have that and you go, yep, this is a career path that I'm actually seriously looking at exploring here, taking massive action on it. That's a huge tip for me. The second one as well, like, utilize the support network that you have. Right. So one of the biggest pieces of what we kind of provide and what do we do for our students, obviously, as we kind of speak about, is really supporting our students through that transition. It is a huge change once again. I think that's a massive quality from like the students that we've had coming through that have been really, really successful and had a long career within cyber.
Yeah, that's it. Lean into that change and lean into that fear, because it's uncomfortable, right? Changing careers, a lot of people have done it, but so is the cybersecurity environment. You're going to be put in uncomfortable environments, and you're going to need to be able to have that type of character to go, hey, I've got the ability to, not only identify that I've got some challenges in my current career, but then also make those decisive decisions and actually make the change to jump into cybersecurity. So decisiveness is one, and leading into change. Any others?
And just like, once again, just commitment, right? Like, obviously, yeah, leaning into discomfort through change, like being decisive as well, but like being able to take action and follow through with it, right? Like going into things with 2 feet in as opposed to 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Right? Because like there's always going to be hardships. There's always going to be difficulties that come up with any change, especially changing a career. But going into things like with both feet in, okay? Because if you give yourself that, ability to like fail or to go into things half-heartedly, like you will always have, you'll give yourself that allowance to be unsuccessful, right? So another quality is, just people like really like just commitment and really like determination to the actual actions that they choose to do. Which, once again, it sounds obvious, right? But it's quite rare. It's quite rare when someone makes a big decision like that and goes, like, this is it. Like, I'm going to make this work.